Okay, so welcome to the Python tutorial for newbies, part 6. Okay, so now we will talk about how to use libraries and how to install them. So for the first part, so there are two types of libraries. So let's just open Python. Okay, so now we open Python, confirm the version is the version that you installed. Mine is 3.8.3.2. Okay, so there are two types of libraries, which is the standard libraries and the custom libraries. So standard and non-standard to be exact. So standard libraries are libraries that actually included in the language itself, so it's already built in. For example, there's a library called random. So you can import random and then you can use the functions in it. So for example, in this library, in this particular library, we have a function named randin. Okay, and then what it's do is it can generate a random number between two numbers. Okay, so you can use this, and of course you don't want to implement this by yourself because it's complex and it literally built into the language. Okay, so first of all, when you want to create a project, search for libraries first, and then if it doesn't exist or the library is kind of buggy or something, then you create it yourself. But first, search for library first. Okay, and then we can also use the non-standard library by installing them first. So Python got a library to install another library, which is called pip. Okay, so Python min-m pip. Now we are going to install a library called request. Okay, so now it will install the library, and then you can now import it from the Python. What does this library do? In this particular case, request is a simple library to get a page. So it can you can use it to create HTTP requests. For example, in this one, I just create a HTTP GET request to google.com, and then it will return the whole page string. Okay, and of course this is not included in the Python itself, so you gotta install it. And there are a lot of libraries that you can actually install, so you can simply Google things out like Python library for something, or Python library to automate a browser, Python library to create a game, and etc. And you will most likely find it because Python has a lot of libraries. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.